Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name Alaida Salma Syahriani. I would like to do presentation about digital games global sales during 2000 until 2006. In the digital game sales chart, there are four types of digital game sales, namely handheld games, console games, online games, and mobile phone games. We can see that the graph show some increase and decrease in digital game sales from 2000 until 2006. It can also be seen that new game sales peaked in 2001 and 2002, and these sales always increase every year. However, for console game sales, it always decreases, while for handheld games, it always experiences an increase in sales every year, which means that handheld games are still in great demand every year. In 2000, there were only two kinds of digital games, namely handheld games and console games. It can also be seen that handheld games had the highest sales rate in 2000, and console games had the lowest sales rate in 2000. In 2001, there were sales of new digital games, namely online games, but sales of online games were still small compared to sales of handheld games and sales of console games, which were still high, but for sales of console games decreased slightly. Next, in 2002, there is a sale of new digital games, namely mobile phone games, which have the same sales as online game sales. It can be seen that mobile phone games already have many enthusiasts. As for handheld games, it always experience sharp rise, and console games experienced a slow increase every year. However, in 2002, handheld games still lead the global sales of digital games. In 2003, sales of online games experienced a rise suddenly, and mobile phone games experienced a sharp rise, and in the sales of handheld games always experience a slight increase, and sales of console games decreased slightly. In 2004, the highest global sales were still led by handheld games, and on console games experienced stable sales from the previous year. And for sales of new games, namely online games and mobile phone games, experienced an increase in sales and had the same sales result in 2004. In 2005, handheld games had the highest sales but did not experience an increase or decrease from the previous year, but in console game sales experienced a dramatic decline from sales of mobile phone games and online games. Meanwhile, mobile phone games experienced a sharp improvement, and online games experienced a dramatic increase from the previous year. In 2006, it can be seen that the highest sales were still led by the global sales of handheld games and the lowest sales on console game sales. However, online games experienced a drastic increase to the second highest sales in 2006, and mobile phone games experienced the third highest sales. Thanks to your attention, the conclusion of this presentation is that the sale of handheld games increased every year, but for the console game sales, it always goes down. In 2001 and 2002, there were a new global sales digital games of online games and mobile phone games that ran high every year. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.